This is gonna be a cooking channel. It's freezing outside, but it's 100 degrees in here.
So why your face greasy?
It's not grease.
Perfection.
Do you have my angles right? I'm making a cooking channel because everyone thinks I can't cook, but I'm here to prove them wrong. Today we're gonna be cooking BULDAK booty today. So we're gonna follow the instructions on how to make this. Cooking directions: boil water, add noodles, and cook. So we're gonna do this my way. Use this to heat up water. Guys, I have go do your job. Anyways, guys, so we have a cameraman, and this is who she is. Just kidding, not giving you clout. Anyway, fix the camera. Okay.
What the heck? You're the one that moved it.
So I'm gonna be heating up the water right now. Protein. I'm canceled already. So our protein is gonna be eggs. So I'm gonna get.
Dude, you're farting to reek. Use the egg holder in the back, on top of the air fryer. Can y'all
do what?
Can y'all tell she don't cook?
Okay, so this kind of looks like that game where you get the pebbles and you. What is it called? Macadona or something like that. Where's the thing? Where's the thing?
A pot?
We have a pot. I'm gonna put some water in here.
Are you out of breath from bending down?
Do your job. You ain't getting paid for no reason. My cameraman wants to get paid, so I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be paying. Did you really just fart out on my video? Oh.
I'm trying to save you storage.
No, it doesn't matter. I bought storage, girl.
You're broke, so didn't pay me.
I forgot my Coke Zero at work. So how are you guys? Oh my god.
This ain't covering nothing. What foods do you know how to cook besides BULDAK?
It's a tricky question. Next question.
Feel that you don't know how to cook anything, and he's like a foodie. You feel me?
Okay, so first of all, we eat out a lot.
Guys, she has some sort.
So once you're kind of burning the house down, you're gonna put your eggs in here. Okay, also guys, give me ideas on what to cook. I can actually try to cook a good plate.
Maybe you should cook up a good attitude. What inspired you to start this series?
I said it in the beginning of the video,
Oh,
girl.
sorry. I wasn't paying attention. So, like,
that kind of hurt.
you planning to wash these dishes when you're done?
That's why I'm paying you.
Dude, evil stepsister.
Why would you say that? Let me just say that. No, I'm just kidding. If you want to feature, just say that, bruh.
No, I'm saying like you should.
trying to feature so bad.
We should do like the blind and deaf challenge where we like bake something and one of us is deaf and one of us is blind.
Grab a bowl. Yeah, open the ramen. Can you open this? Alright. So we're gonna get the noodles out. And I'm just gonna put a lot so that it melts.
It cooks?
Oh.
Are you timing the eggs?
Yeah. I have 4 minutes left. Heather. That's 2 different songs. Heather. I wish I were Heather. So if you guys wanna hear me sing or like karaoke or whatever.
Just like
let me know, like.
just like search up like a rooster.
Has it been 5 minutes that these have been cooking? I cannot take spicy like I used to. My butt. Big crack. Oh my god. Freaking Humpty Dumpty freaking didn't survive. What am I sorry? This just kind of looks like the eggs that are on the stove.
Bad.
See, I'm getting impatient. Can I just eat it like this?
We are gonna get sick. Did you know that BULDAK causes cancer and reproductive issues?
Girl, that's what I'm gonna eat. Why didn't you tell me before? Why you gotta lie?
Where's the actual packaging? Go get it.
Girl, no. What are you doing? I'm gonna show you. You're paid to sit there. No. Why do we eat this then?
Like once in a while, one person
Once in a while, I'll get cancer. Actually crazy, dude. I don't want to eat this no more now. Should I?
Ezie. BULDAK!
Oh, are you autistic, dude? Mom, is she autistic or no?
You're gonna get canceled for that. That's
I'm canceled twice now. I can't speak my mind or what? Oh!
I just want you to look at those noodles really quick. That is not it. I cook my BULDAK.
Don't try to get caught, bruh. I'm gonna put them in here. Ow, that freaking burned. You know what they say? If it don't burn, it don't work.
I've never heard that before.
What you heard today, girl? We're gonna peel the skin. The outer skin. Oh, this smells like you. This stinks like your room. So you can put the eggs here if you want. But I actually like to kind of open them like this. Oh. No. The aesthetic.
Dude, at least, like, even though it looks like trash, like, try to make it look good for the presentation.
I don't know how to do. Sorry guys, I'm dyslexic. Am I gonna get canceled dude for that? Bro, if you don't like this video, you're autistic. Guys, I'm only gonna do one because I'm actually a singer, like no kidding. No, I actually am, like in church, I'm a singer. So I'm gonna put one ice cube. Maybe I'll do two. Alright, taste test. Let's try this. Kind of dry. Oh. Gosh. It's kind of spicy actually. Lemon water.
You eat kind of ugly, though. Ew. You're red right now.
Because it's freaking spiced out, bro.
It's hotter in here than outside.
Yeah. It's cold outside.
The freaking heater on.
Last time.
No, no.
I walked in a freaking oven, bro. You guys eat the yellow? Or no?
Mm-mm.
I didn't ask you. I asked the fans, okay?
What fans? What subscribers?
So, $1 off from that, bro. Yo, who the...
There's no waste at the altar.
Keep your job.
What your head reminds me of? Those little oranges.
Get that orange out of my face, bro.
Get that corn out of my face.
I could root for that, dude. At this point, you're fired.
Look, I literally just finished eating my BULDAK. It was pretty good.
Mine looks better. I think this concludes the end of this video.
It helps the spice. Try it, I promise you. Every time I eat BULDAK, I eat this. I pinky promise you.
If it makes it worse, I swear I'll throw it in your face, bro.
Pinky promise.
I don't know if it helps, but it's good. I'll be back with another recipe, probably a better one than this. You stayed all the way to the end. Comment down. What do they say?
Be sure to subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next, and thank you for watching this video.
Period.
You have to say it.
Okay, wait, hold on.
If you made it to the end of this
If
video.
you made it to the end of this video.
Wait, do it again. 1, 2, 3.
If you made it to the end of this video.
Cut.
If you made it to the end of this video. No, it didn't look the best. Like, I think if I give this to my man, he can throw it at my board. But honestly, my sister does make bomb ramen, but because that's all she eats. That's all she can afford.
Dude, I can't even afford ramen.
That's sad, bro. You heard that, Donald Trump.
Dude, stop. You're literally gonna get canceled. 3, action.
If you made it to the end of this video.
Okay, look happy, bruh, but like, no.
If you made it to the end of this video, comment. Nah.
Dude, below what you want to see next. Bye.
Okay. Dude, stop farting in my video.
Can you cut that out, please? No, please.